Hello friends, my name is Kamlesh Chawda. Uh, I teach current affairs. I train students in this segment, uh, looking into the weightage of the questions which are asked in recent examinations. Current affairs has a higher weightage, so I always recommend my students to go through the current affairs every day, to read a basic newspaper, and to follow a news channel basically. So apart from them, every week I discuss basic issues of a particular week. So this is the first edition of that, the first week of April. um, so let's start the discussion. And before discussing, I must tell you one thing. These questions are really very exhaustive ones. That means every questions have hidden questions within them. So I'll ask you certain questions. I hope you will cooperate, and simultaneously with me you'll answer the questions and know what are the other related questions. So let's start with the first question. Which payment bank has partnered with Bharti AXA General Insurance to offer health insurance plans to provide cover and give financial protection against COVID-19? Before knowing the answer, let's know what is the meaning of an insurance, right? So that's a homework. What's the meaning of insurance and what are the types of insurance, right? In an insurance, a person shifts the liability of either his life or either the risk of his property to a third party, which is generally an insurance company. And with that, he has to pay certain premiums to the company. And in case there is a casualty, so the insurance company pays back to the person or compensates the person. Generally, insurance is of two types. Number one is a life insurance, and number two is a general insurance. So now it's up to you. Please know what is a life insurance and what is the difference between life and general insurance. So coming back to the answer, this answer is Airtel Payments Bank. Moving on, in which state Indian Railways decided to set up a fumigation tunnel to curb COVID-19? Right. So, number one, knowing something about the railways in India. What is the genesis of railways in India? In 1853, the first railway was started from Bombay to Thane on a pilot basis. There was a passenger railway. But when was the first goods carrying railway started in India? That is your question. So coming to the answer, and once again, how many railway zones are there, who is the railway minister, and so. Okay, and which is the latest railway zone in as of 2019? So what's the answer? The answer is Haryana. So related to Haryana, you need to keep in mind certain things. Number one, what is the location of Haryana on the map of India? Who is the chief minister of Haryana? Who is the governor of Haryana? And related facts. Okay, so you have to proceed in that way. Moving on, now recently Geeta Ramji passed away. She was related to which field? So she was basically a virologist. And what next? Who was appointed as the new chairman of NASCOM? Now what is this NASCOM? Can you tell me? NASCOM is basically a industrial cartel, right? So there are certain other industrial cartels like ASOCAM, CII, and so and so. So the answer here is UB Pravin Rao. So that's the answer. You see the next question. Which state government recently launched COVID-19 Locator app, a GPS based location tracker that will help the government in tracking those who have been home quarantined, right? So regarding this statement, what is the full form of GPS? Which country has sent this satellite system in the space? And what is the meaning of this term quarantine, that you must be knowing? So what is the answer then? It is Goa. Again, about this small state now, and probably the most richest state in India. Okay, so Goa Goa's chief minister, its location in the map, and the governor of Goa. So the basic things. You may search some more things regarding this state. Recently, MK Arjun passed away. MK Arjun is basically uh, was basically a music composer. And moving forward, you see the next question: which application joins hands with ICICI Lombard? So regarding this question, you see, what is the full form of ICI? It's a very popular question. Please know what is the full form of ICICI, when it was established, and related details. So what is the answer then? It's Bharat Pay. And few more questions. Recently, SBI House economists have pegged the growth forecast of for the country as of March 2020 to how much percent? It is basically, it's basically 2.5%. See the next question: which manufacturing unit of Indian Railways has earned the unique distinction of manufacturing most locomotives in a year? Right. So in a particular train, there are certain aspects that you need to know. What are the types of gauges? That means the distance between two tracks of railways. So broad gauge, meter gauge, and narrow gauge. And apart from them, the engines are basically known as they are known as locomotives. The engines are called locomotives, and the wagons are basically used for carrying goods. Okay, so what is the answer? It's Chittaranjan locomotive work. Now, first thing, where is this plant site located? That's number one. Number two, who is this Chittaranjan? Chittaranjan Das. He is a historical personality. So it's your duty to have a understanding and knowledge about Chittaranjan Das. You see the next question. Now, which company is offering its artificial intelligence platform Watson Assistant for citizens free of cost for at least 90 days, which will provide reliable information on COVID-19? I hope you know the answer. It's none else than IBM. So know something about the other companies as well: Microsoft, Wipro, TCS, and all. So they will enhance. Recently, the Commerce and Industry Ministry extended the foreign trade policy to 2015-2020 by how much years? Before knowing the answer, who is the Union Minister of Commerce and Industry? That's the question. And about the answer, it has been extended to 5 more years. So that is the answer. Moving on, recently Arjun Dev passed away. He was basically associated with, he was a historian. And here there is a question: what is the meaning of Indology? So what is Indology? So that's your question. Please tell me what is the answer. So moving on, the NASA has planned how to launch which program to that aims to land humans on moon by 2024. So knowing something more about it, what is the full form of NASA? I'm sure majority of the students, they do not know the full form of NASA. I repeat, majority of the students. We hope we know the answer. Okay. So and about this mission, is called Artemis mission. It will land the first woman on the lunar soil. First woman on moon. That is the objective. So it has basically 3 components: Artemis 1, 2, and 3. Next one, which state government has issued modified guidelines for the distribution of 25 lakh house sites to poor in urban and rural areas under Navaratnalu Pedalan Dariki Illu program? Of course, you may be knowing the answer. It's Andhra. It's Andhra Pradesh. Who is the chief minister? Where is the location of Andhra Pradesh, and who is the governor of Andhra Pradesh? Those are basic 3 questions. Now about V-Safe tunnel. This V-Safe tunnel for a disinfectant tunnel was installed to sanitize people in 20 seconds. So where it was constructed? It's constructed in Telangana. So These tunnels are basically for disinfecting people, sanitizing people, and so that they could not spread corona again. So Telangana is the answer. Then the same thing, location of Telangana on the map, the CM of Telangana, and finally the governor of Telangana. You may search more things about the same states. You see the next one. Which state government has launched mobile app Pragyam to issue passes to everyone associated with the delivery of essential services? And what is the answer then? It is Jharkhand. But can you tell me which services are brought under the list of essential services? And when was Essential Services Act was promulgated or enacted? Recently, Bullet Prakash passed away. He was related to which field? Of course, names like this are easily understood. Like he was an actor. The Reserve Bank of India has hiked the limit for foreign portfolio investment in corporate bonds to how much percent for 2020-21? So it's basically 15%. And with that, know something basic about RBI. Not from a layman's perspective. RBI's basic detail, like its historical perspective and its present aspects, like when RBI was formed, under which commission, basically the Hilton Young Commission. It was formed in 1935, and what is the old name of RBI, and what is foreign portfolio investment, what is this FPI, FDI, FII, and so and so. So these are all your questions. Don't ignore them. Please have an understanding about them. And what are basically bonds? So as I said, every question has certain hidden questions. So please go through them. They will enhance your knowledge. You see the next one. According to Fitch Solutions, India's fiscal deficit will shoot up to how much percent? And what is the answer? It's basically 6.2%. And before going further, what is the meaning of fiscal deficit, what is Fitch, what is GDP, and so and so. And again, what is the meaning of a financial year? Financial year means what, that you should know. Moving on, how much amount was credited to women account holders under Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, and recently announced the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana package? It is 500 rupees. And what is the theme of this year's World Autism Day? What is autism? Please have a search. And what is the answer? The answer is transition of adulthood. So that is the theme. Again, the finance ministry slashed the interest rates on public provident fund scheme to how much percent? It is 7.1%. So what is the meaning of this public provident fund? And who is the finance minister right now? That's a very silly question, but you know the answer, I hope. When is International Day of Conscience observed? So it's basically April 5. See the next one. Recently, Sasi Kalinga passed away. He was related to which of the following? He was basically an actor. Government extended implementation of uniform stamp duty for capital market instruments to which date? Before knowing the answer, what is the meaning of this capital market? In the economics book, basically in the macroeconomics, you see, after the general introduction to economics, you'll find this chapter. Capital market is basically a chapter. It deals with long-term markets for money, basically credit. So please have an understanding. It's basically a chapter. So go through that chapter. It's very important. Many questions are asked from this same chapter. So what is the answer? It is July 1. Moving on. So friends, again see the next question. Recently, the 2021 World Games were postponed to 2022. It was scheduled to be held in which city? Apart from these options, or including these options, what is the answer? It's New Delhi. It was supposed to be held in Delhi, but due to COVID-19, it has been postponed to 2022. Okay, next one. What is the tagline of this year's World Health Day? I hope you must be knowing. It's the 7th of April when World Health Day is celebrated. But apart from them, know something about World Health Organization. And what is the theme of this year? Support the nurses and midwives. Their this has been selected as a issue, looking into their contribution in the world healthcare system, especially in the recent times. So you have a just have an idea regarding that. See the next one. Which two countries were recently banned by independent member federation sanctions of the international weightlifting federations from participating in weightlifting events in Tokyo Olympics? So what is the answer? It's Thailand and Malaysia. Right. From this issue, you need to know what is the capital of Japan, and what are the details regarding this Tokyo Olympics. Thailand as a country, Malaysia as a country. Know some basic details regarding them. Their head of nations, their capitals, their location on the world map. China, France, Indonesia, Singapore. So basic details regarding them. Moving on, recently India Post extended its post office on wheels service into which of the following states? The answer is Uttar Pradesh. So again the same question, which is the capital of Uttar Pradesh, the CM of Uttar Pradesh, and the governor of Uttar Pradesh, and apart from them, which state is bounded by the maximum number of states? So that is your question. Please find the answer. Moving on, which body has signed an agreement to lend up to 60 million US dollars to Awas Financiers Limited, housing finance company in India, to improve access to housing finance for lower income borrowers, particularly women? So it's Asian Development Bank. So basically have an understanding regarding different financial institutions like World Bank, IMF, AIIB, Asian Development Bank, and so and so. Moving on, S&P Global Ratings has slashed India's growth forecast to how much? See again, S&P stands for Standard and Poor's, so it's also a global rating agency. The growth forecast has been reduced to 3.5%. That's the answer. Now, who has been appointed as executive director of Canara Bank post merger with Syndicate Bank? So regarding this merger, which banks have been merged with which banks? Basically there were earlier 27 banks, now they have been reduced to some 12 banks. So how the process has undertaken, and all the public sector banks, their nationalization, that is the answer. So the answer is Krishnan S. Moving on, which bank became the first entity to fund ventilator prototype by IIT Kanpur? What is that answer? It is Standard Chartered Bank. Here you need to know some basic facts regarding a bank. Types of banks, right? I like public sector banks, private sector banks, then we have foreign banks, we have regional rural banks. So have an understanding regarding all the types of banks. See the next one. Government decides to set up group to coordinate COVID-19 related response activities. Who will head the panel? So the answer is Amitabh Kant. And who is Amitabh Kant? He is the CEO of Niti Aayog, Amitabh Kant. So have some basic understanding regarding Niti Aayog, the Planning Commission, the National Development Council. What next? As per Asian Development Bank, global cost of coronavirus can cost up to how much amount? This is going to be a very challenging time So it is 4 trillion US dollar that the world has to pay. See the next one, whose tenure has been extended by the government as acting president of NCLT, National Company Law Tribunal. What is the answer then? It is BSV Prakash Kumar. So please have a detailed understanding about NCLT. Like what is the structure? We have at the very base we have NCLT. Over it we have NCLAT, that is National Company Law Appellate Tribunal, and above it, if you are not satisfied with the judgment of even NCLAT, then somebody can approach the Supreme Court. So this is the structure. So please have an understanding. You should search the basics of NCLT, NCLAT, and the apex body of India in judiciary, that is the Supreme Court. Next one, which department in rapid response to combat COVID-19 global pandemic approved setting up of a Center for Augmenting War with COVID-19 Health Crisis, CA Watch? So what is the answer? It is Department of Science and Technology. And extended question, who is the central minister or union minister of science and technology? That is your extended question. Fitch predicted global growth contraction by how much percent? So it is nearly 1.9%. Which Indian institute has developed a low cost portable ventilator, right, in association with AIMS Rishikesh, which can be manufactured at just a cost of 25,000 rupees. Now, what is ventilator? Number one, what is its functions, or what are its functions? So those are associated questions. So no tidbits about a ventilator, how it helps to save the lives of patients. So it's basically IIT Roorkee. Regarding IIT Roorkee, which is the first engineering college in India. Next, what is the old name of IIT Roorkee and where is it? So these are related questions. So please have a search in those answers. Next, you see which company partnered with Bajaj Alliance for hospitalization insurance policy for COVID-19. Whether it is PhonePe, Google Pay, MobiKwik or FreeCharge, it's basically PhonePe, right? And regarding this issue, what are mobile wallets? Please have a search. Next one, recently which famous actor passed away who was best known for playing the role of district attorney Mike Carr in the long running soap opera The Edge of Night? What is the answer then? It is Forrest Compton. See next one, which bank listed US dollar 100 million green bonds on India International Exchange recently? Before knowing the answer, what is INX? Of course it is India International Exchange, but where is it? Where is INX located and what are its functions? What are the functions of INX? Okay, now coming to the answer, it's basically State Bank of India. Again, regarding SBI, there are some basic questions like what is the previous or former name of SBI, when it was formed, which is who is the largest public sector lender in India, and so and so. See this question, which country to host Asian Youth Games in 2021? What is the answer then? It's our neighboring country, China. What next? As per UN, global economy could shrink by almost how much percent by 2022 due to COVID-19 pandemic? It's shockingly it's 1%. Next one, recently, okay, before moving further, let me give you another homework. What is UN? UN is an umbrella organization. It's an umbrella organization. Now UNO is your homework. What is UNO? United Nations Organization consists of nearly 6 basic wings of it. So please have a deeper understanding of it. Every year in many examinations, UNO is a very common question. Any agency related to UNO may be a question. So please take a note of it. Moving on, recently IRDAI launched with which product to cover COVID-19 treatment? So you know the answer, I guess. It's Arogya Sanjeevani. So that is the answer. National Health Authority has joined hands with which company to provide transport services to frontline healthcare workers or the COVID warriors? What is the answer then? It's Uber or Uber. Hmm. Moving on, as per ADB, India's GDP to grow at how much percent by FY 2020? It's about 4%. See, these are all predictions. Okay. Now again, I remind you what is GDP, what are the basic details regarding GDP, how GDP is calculated, what is national income, related questions. Okay, next one. Recently, government launched which application for tracking COVID-19? Of course, you know the answer, and that's the right answer. It is Arogya Setu app. So that's a very handy app. You must download it. Finally, the last question of the session. Recently, Fitch Ratings slashed India's GDP growth forecast for how much percent for FY21? It's 2%. So again, this Fitch International Ratings Agency have a knowledge regarding that. So with this, I am winding this session up. I hope this video will help you. I'll request you to go through this video and search whatever homework I have given to you. So I hope your preparations are going on well, and you must spend the time judiciously. This COVID lockdown, it's an opportunity to enhance your skills. Don't waste a single moment of your time. Keep on study and with other enjoyments. So thanks a lot, friends, and all the best for your exams.